Hello guys. I'm Siri. Welcome to iOS Beta News channel. Today we'll talk about iPhone 12 mini. Everything that's known about the iPhone 12 mini on. That's the moment. A photo of stickers for packing iPhone 12 branded cases has appeared online. The picture shows 3 stickers, with the size of the smartphones next to them. I mean, we're waiting. 5.4-inch iPhone 12 mini, 6.1-inch iPhone 12 and 12 Pro, as well as a 6.7-inch iPhone 12 Pro Max. The source of the picture was user Duan Rui, which previously posted a photo of the iPad Air 4 instruction, and it turned out to be real. That means iPhone 12 mini will be the most inexpensive, and therefore the most affordable, for Apple smartphone users. Around the iPhone 12, who is about to come out, and all its modifications have been rumored so many lately. What you can forget, it's still not been announced. However, many details about the iPhone 12 are already known. iPhone 12 Pro, iPhone 12 Pro Max. However, not so long ago, information about another model, the iPhone 12 mini, was also leaked to the internet. What do we know about this iPhone 12 option at the moment? Design. iPhone 12 mini is expected to have. There will be a 5.4-inch display. Perhaps the model will be even smaller than the smallest iPhone SE 2020 at the moment, with a 4.7-inch screen. Due to the compact arrangement of a larger screen space inside the smaller smartphone, the smartphone case will have rectangular facets, such as the iPad Pro 2020. This is likely to make it visually similar to the iPhone 4 and 5 models. Technical specifications. According to some reports, the iPhone 12 mini will have a special version of the chipset called B14 Bionic. Essentially, it's a stripped-down version of the Apple A14. Most likely Apple can take such a step to make this model as cheap as possible. However, other sources claim that all iPhone 12 mini models will receive a new Apple A14 Bionic chipset. iPhone 12 mini. So is the iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro, and the iPhone 12 Pro Max will receive 5G support, which unfortunately is not yet relevant in many countries. Despite its small size, the iPhone 12 mini, like other variants of Apple 12 generation smartphones, will be equipped with OLED displays. All iPhone 12 models will go with a Lightning cable, but without a charger and headphones included. According to analysts, Apple wants to compensate for the increase in the cost of smartphones associated with the introduction of 5G modems. As for the amount of memory, the device will be available with the following storage options: 64 GB, 128 GB, and 256 GB. Unlike the less budget iPhone 12 Pro and iPhone 12 Pro Max, which will have a minimum of 128 GB of memory. Price. It is to be expected that the cost of the new iPhone 12 will be higher compared to previous models, due to the use of new technologies, the cost of production, and therefore the cost of the iPhone 12 will increase. Besides, Apple didn't raise iPhone prices in 2019, what can be explained by the fact that the price increase was postponed for 2020. And the first iPhone from the new cycle, iPhone 12 mini, according to insiders, will cost from $700. Release date. The iPhone 12 was not announced at Apple's September presentation. Time flies due to the tense situation in the world. The company itself reported that new iPhone models will be announced a few weeks later than usual, that is presumably in October. However, Apple insiders give an even more accurate date, October 13th. This means that very soon we can get answers to all the questions we are interested in, including the release date of the iPhone 12 mini. So guys, we told you everything we know about iPhone 12 mini. And now we'll talk about the future, namely, the iPhone 13 on the horizon. Interesting details about future iPhones. iPhone 13 will be released in 2021. The famous insider, Ross Young, revealed details about the upcoming iPhone 13. According to him, the next generation of 4 iPhones will appear in the fall of 2021. He named the diagonal of displays of new iPhones: iPhone 13 mini 5.42-inch, iPhone 13 to 6.6-inch, iPhone 13 Pro 6.06 inches, iPhone 13 Pro Max 6.67 inches. According to Mr. Young, all iPhones 13 will receive Y-octa displays. The touch layer is built right into the display, but only expensive iPhones will get the refresh rate of 120 Hz. Such screens will be installed in premium Pro versions. Finally, LTPO technology, spices for turning on and off individual pixels on the display, saves battery power, will become an exclusive to the top iPhone 13 Pro Max. A compact and simple iPhone 13 will be equipped with dual cameras, and the iPhone 13 Pro and 13 Pro Max will be installed with triple cameras. Everything is like the iPhone 12 line. It is reported that several companies will supply OLED displays at once. So, Samsung Display Company will produce panels for iPhone 13 Pro Max and the iPhone 13 mini. LG Display will create screens for all iPhones 13 except the flagship model. Finally, BUI will supply panels for iPhone 13 and the iPhone 13 Pro. iPhone 13 mini's main camera sensor and the iPhone 13 will be exactly the same as the iPhone 12 Pro Max. iPhone 13 Pro and the iPhone 13 Pro Max will get an improved main lens with sensor shift technology. All iPhone 13 will be able to work in 5th generation mobile networks, but the speed millimeter range is for Pro models only. And so guys, that's all the information that's known about smartphones, iPhone 12 mini, and iPhone 13. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, like and subscribe, and click the bell. Siri was with you.